Sorry. What do YouTube? I look fabulous. Fabulous. Okay, we gonna do mukbang. Because hopefully y'all didn't see anything. I'm still learning how to wear dresses, sort of, kind of. I got some Dr. Pepper, but we don't trust anything that's from Uber Eats or anything. And then also on Uber Eats, they're doing buy one get one. And I got 2 meals for the price of one. And girl, bye. Hold up. Got to untie shit. So it's actually the same thing. I got chicken, mashed potatoes, and a biscuit. Alright, let me wash my hands. So I wash my hands. Let's eat. Let me tell you. Why the fuck? I don't think it's supposed to look like this, but I don't know whoever's making the oh, hold on. Whoever's making the food at KFC, they need a raise, because every time my dad used to get KFC, it would be mushy. But I'm not gonna lie to you, I've been starving. And as you can see, my sister, I'm trying to be in Streamer University. Wow. They're gonna be 2 forks. So it's just a plain meal. I got chicken, biscuit, macaroni and cheese, and some mashed potatoes. See, I tried to be like them other mukbangers that just get everything, but my palate is not letting me have that. I'm not gonna lie, I wonder how they make their mac and cheese. Like, I know it's store-bought, but do you think they do nacho cheese and then put some heavy cream and cheddar cheese in it? ate that all up. I love me some mac and cheese. And then we're also having macaroni and cheese for dinner. I'm gonna have to read that. These are so good. And then I got two Pepsis. It's so good. So how everybody's day going? My day is going good now because I ain't eat nothing yesterday. Sorry, I was eating a little too fast. Like the pepper, baby. Good. Thank God. Payday is like right around the corner because Lord have mercy. Okay, I kind of bit more than I could chew off, but it was buy one get one kind of sort of. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just eat the mashed potatoes and macaroni and cheese. Ooh, y'all can see my stomach. So I'm going to do a quote. Nobody's telling you you can't do anything. You're only telling yourself you can't do something because you're scared. If you want to do something, go ahead and do shit. Oh, that's dipshit. But if you want to do something, oh, look at you walking down the stairs.
I can barely walk, but apparently they need me to go to physical therapy, right?
Wait, you leaving?
No.
Oh.
Okay. We're doing my shit early.
Oh.
Yeah, why is there no national as fucking holiday?
Juneteenth?
Okay, so if I go to work and tell them, wait, do we have off on Juneteenth? You think they're gonna look at me and say, yeah, I can go home on that day?
You should say, I need to, I'm black. This is a big moment. This is a big day for me.
There's already so many people who are not working, so I think some are not off.
That was my little brother. He's in the military. I mean, he works for, I said I'm not going to disclose it because I don't want him. I don't want to disclose it because I don't want hate coming his way. They need to put like some seasoning in this mashed potatoes. Like, what the hell? So after I eat, I'm gonna get up and see, because I swear to you, I didn't eat yesterday. Or did I?
Yeah, I'm about to wash my gloves. Yeah.
Alright, I'm just gonna consolidate everything into one because I'm not gonna eat everything. Okay, so I consolidated everything into one thing. We're about to try Dr. Pepper for the first time. Because I don't like drinking dark drinks, but we're about to try it. If I die, contact KFC. Go sit down now, please. No. I swear to you, I'm not a mother. I'm not a mother. I'm an older sister. I'm not a mother. This is Pepsi. Go. Oh. Okay, sorry. So, we about to try Pepsi. What the hell was that? I stopped drinking dark drinks because I saw that Coca-Cola cleans a lot of things. So I was like, oh, I'm not drinking dark drinks anymore. But this is the first time I'm ever drinking Dr. Pepper. No, Pepsi, sorry. Drink Pepsi and Coca-Cola. No. Don't taste right. I got 2 cup holders. Dr. Pepper, baby. Bro, I cannot wait till I get damn paid, bro. I also got a job interview soon. So I have to stop talking so much, but yeah. I also have a job interview soon. I am so ready to get paid more. Okay? Dr. Pepper, baby. One time, let me show you my fit before we exit out. Right? Bow. Bow. Alright. Oh. I hope I get in. I really do. I really am really tired of working at Ross, but I hope I get to jail. And with all due respect, I usually work every year 2 jobs, but like this time, I ain't trying to do that no more. I'm not trying to do that no more. Oh, I didn't even know I had a little hole in there. Look at that. But yeah, I'm not trying to do that no more. I'm trying to... Oh. Oh, so it's supposed to be like that. Alright, but anyway. Yeah, I'm not... Okay, stop the problem. Alright, yeah. But anyway, I'm really not trying to... Yeah, whatever. So, good vibes, positive vibes. Don't let anybody stop you from following your dreams, no matter what age you're at. Expect the best, prepare for success, and I hope everything you wish for comes your way. And yeah. Also, subscribe to me. I'm trying to get to that 300. Oh shit. I'm trying to get to that 300. The key almost fell, but yeah, I'm trying to get to 300 subscribers. So yeah. Mine. No! What are you doing? Thanks to me.
Oh, sorry.
Get out the way.
You do this flavor?
Huh?
You do this flavor?
No, I'm not doing guess the flavor.
We didn't go to that shit, did you?
Huh?
I hope you're not to go. People can't go.
Rashid, Tananda Tula wants you. You like Pepsi? Yes or no? Yeah. Don't drink it fast. Tananda Tula wants you. Dr. Pepper, baby. I'm a bartender. You want these? Go sit down. See, I care for my niggas. I'ma rob my motherfucking smooth my. I'ma die with my finger on the trigger. I'm running outside all day with my niggas, and I ain't going even listen with my. Hey, see that's why you ain't get no more. This is Tanetta's. Yeah, this is Tanetta's. No, there's nothing in there. Tanetta didn't get none.
Tainetta!
Do you want Pepsi? Huh? Regular. Rashid was gonna give you an empty cup.
Also, that cup was supposed to be for me.
You want Pepsi? Yes or no?
Yeah, me just a little.
Like that or more?
More. It's not. Something snacks fun, okay?
What? Got YG with me, so don't get stomped in. I could have did a mukbang like this. Oh my god, I love the lighting. Sun kissed. I could have did like this. Dr. Pepper, baby, good. Oh my god, y'all can see what I ate. Girl. Let me see if I can go like, nah, girl. Oh my god. If I just go like this. Let me see. I mean, it's not stacked like how I wanted it to be, but. At least you can see the Coke, you know? Ah, fuck. And then like I was taught how to sit in a dress, so you of course do that, and then you just like that. Girl, I didn't know I was that. Oh, I didn't know I got all that going on. But yeah.